In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your PayPal Merchant ID. If you need your PayPal Merchant ID for account setup, integrations, or verification inside another platform, this process is very quick and easy. Your Merchant ID is a unique identifier connected to your PayPal account, and it's often used instead of your email address when linking services. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find it inside your PayPal settings. To get started, make sure you're signed into your PayPal account and you're on your account summary page. Once you're there, look toward the top area of the screen for the gear icon. This is the settings button. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open your account settings. After you click it, PayPal will take you into your settings or profile area. From here, the next part is simple, but you may need to scroll a little depending on your screen size or the version of the page you're seeing. Slowly scroll down through the page and look for the section where your Merchant ID is displayed. When you find it, you should see the label for Merchant ID along with the actual ID value connected to your account. This is the information you'll typically copy and paste into another app, website, or payment integration if requested. Be sure to copy it carefully so there are no missing or extra characters. If you don't spot it right away, just keep scrolling through the profile or account details section until it appears. PayPal's layout can sometimes look slightly different depending on your region or account type, but the Merchant ID is usually listed in the account or business profile information. One important tip is to make sure you're copying the Merchant ID itself and not any other account detail nearby. Since this identifier is used for payment-related connections, accuracy matters. It's also a good idea not to share it publicly unless a trusted service specifically asks for it during setup. And that's it. To find your PayPal Merchant ID, simply open your PayPal settings by clicking the gear icon, then scroll down until you see the Merchant ID listed in your profile details. Once you found it, you can copy it and use it wherever it's needed. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly locate your PayPal Merchant ID.